Welcome back to an update on the Poem Hasher or Poem Combination program. You may remember in the previous video, which is available here, that a university student asked me to put together a program that would combine two poems, and you can check out the results on this video here. In this one, the program is adapted slightly, and what it actually does is takes two poems and it completely randomizes the words and the lines so that you end up with a brand new, unique poem. So let's see this in action first, and then we will talk through how it works. So I'm going to press run, and 229 words are being picked up. I'm going to enter the name of the poem. I'm going to call this test. The merge content of the two files will be in the test folder. So if I go back here, this is my original poem. So this famous Cloth Heaven. And then this is poem number 2, which is Dylan Thomas. And what we want to see, or what you're probably interested in seeing, is the test program which has combined them all together. So let's open that one up. So gentle that old rave at of day rage, dying of the light, wise right words, no light, do not go into the wave, bright their frail deeds. So there's a combination of the different words into a poem. Now it's different each time, so if I close these and we'll go back to the original program, I'll stop it and I'll run it again. I'm going to call this one test 2, and if I open up test 2, you can see this time we have a very different poem. Do go into the night and rage the dying, whereas this one is gentle the old rave. So you could have this running a number of times, and each time it would create an individual poem and a unique poem. Okay. So programs here, as I said, it's very similar to the other one. It's a combination of the combiner, and then also splitting each poem into words, saving them as a set of a list, saving each word as a list, and then picking a random range of letters or words, picking a random number of words and putting them together back into lines. A couple of little bits to work on. First of all, I want this to look like the new lines, so perhaps it creates something like this, and then that's a bit more of a poem structure. And also the customizability, where you can actually choose the number of letters or the number of lines or the number of words that you actually want in the program. So that's a quick update on the Poem Hasher as it is being developed now. If you've got any comments, please leave them in below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you've got any ideas for how to develop a program, let me know. Or if you're working on a similar program, get in touch. Thanks very much.